Hi Talia and Tanya and everyone with GC Law Group. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with Ringen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not going to be sent out to multiple different attorneys. Now, three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Google loves content. In fact, all search engines love content. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved, and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind is that you want to have minimum 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank. So I'm going to go to your family law page, which is right here. I do like the fact that you have your fill form, which helps make it easier for you to get leads through this, or people to put their information in and have it sent to your phone or your email address or whatnot. But what I don't see here is a lot of content. Okay, a lot of this is basically a replication of your main page, and then just a little bit of information in here. So if we go even further, and let's go to divorce, which happens to be unfortunately a big thing that's happening these days. This is your divorce page. Not quite 1,500 words. So you're going to want to go through in every page that's important to you, whether it be divorce, whether it's criminal. I'm not sure where your guys' specialty is, but you're going to want to make sure that all of your pages that you want to rank to have 1,500 words minimum. The more content you provide, the more these search engines realize that you're a valuable commodity in the internet, in the World Wide Web, and the more visible they're going to make your website, which in turn is going to give you more exposure and give you some more leads as well as income, obviously, in turn. So 1,500 words minimum, and then again, make sure that all your photos are saved with good content as well, because search engines actually read how you save your photos. And so if your photos are not saved, I believe one of your photos down here was saved as logo or something, logo. So, there's a lot of logos, but there's not as many lawyers in Sterling Heights, for example. So moving forward, citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Sterling Heights Lawyers, and we got Palazzolo, right? He's got only one review, but yet he's in the #1 position. And then we got Hensel and we got Dawson, okay? You guys aren't here. Really, this is where you want to be. This is where you're going to get the majority of your bread and butter. But even further than that, as you can see, something I like pointing out is that, David Dawson, we got Serafini, okay? These lawyers, actually Dawson is in the map pack on the last one, but Serafini, for example, she is... Serafini, Mikalowski, and Durkak. So their website, smdalaw.com, is actually ranking on the first page for Sterling Heights Lawyers, even though they're not in the map pack. So that's really what we try and have happen with our websites, is any area you're trying to target, even though you can't be in the map pack for every city, if you're not there, you can, however, have your website ranking organically. And if you do homework and you do your research, you'll see that there's a lot of cases in which this is in fact true. And so this has to do with citations, though, your map pack. Further, I have your Google My Business page pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. Congratulations on the reviews. So you guys have 26 reviews with a 4.9 star. Definitely something to be proud of. Definitely something to hold your head high to. You do have your hours, your address, your phone, and you have your website under the appointment section. So your profile is complete, which is good to see. I guess the last thing that we'll point out is the photos. So we recommend 10 photos minimum. And it looks like you guys have have this one, which is a Google drive-by, which doesn't count. And then you have one right here, which looks like maybe just a logo type thing. So you're going to want to go in to your Google My Business page profile whenever you get a chance, and you're going to want to add 9 more photos minimum. And then again, just make sure you save those photos with correct content that's actually going to bring you value, and not just logo or not just whatever the computer comes up with. Just make sure to think about what you save your photos as. But 10 minimum is what we recommend. And then the last thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that lawgroupgc.com, which is your domain, anywhere that can be found is going to give you a backlink. And you guys actually have 109 backlinks coming from 35 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is an 8. That's an 8 out of 100, so very low. So what that means is that there's a good chance that nobody's finding your website on the first page anywhere, maybe not the second or even the third, unless they type in your specific domain or they type in GC Law Group. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to make sure that all your backlinks come from sites that are relevant to the trade and that aren't spammy. Because otherwise they'll actually lower your score and bring you no value whatsoever. So I would highly suggest going in, figuring out, hey, where are my backlinks coming from, and removing the backlinks that aren't bringing you any value, and then going and getting yourself some more backlinks that are going to bring you massive value. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to bring you some revenue and leads this upcoming season and year. And if you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.